welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Ilan Sobel, the CEO of BioHarvest Sciences. And Ilan, great to see you again. How are you?
Steve, great to see you. It's frenetic. We're ready to rock and roll and start the engine in the US. So we're working. As you can see, I'm in my office. And
I can see behind you. It's dark out. It's late where you are in Israel, and that's because you're working late because you've got a big launch coming up next week. So, look, May 12th is the day that you're launching in the United States. It's a significant milestone for the company. Tell everyone about VINIA first. Let's talk about that. And how key this is, obviously, for people who are looking to take care of themselves.
Sure. So. As you said, May 12th, 8 a.m. is a critical date for Americans because this is going to be their opportunity to be able to leverage the power of VINIA dietary supplement. VINIA is a very unique product. It's the only product in the world that has the unique pie seed resveratrol from red grapes combined with a matrix of other critical polyphenols, which has the ability to provide consumers with significant benefits, specifically helping to support heart health via increased blood flow and delivery of oxygen to the body's tissues and organs. Mm-hmm. So you have a significant impact from blood flow, increased dilation of the arteries, and then as a result of the increased blood flow and the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the body tissues and organs, you have a significant improvement also in your physical energy and your mental alertness. So VINIA is targeting two spaces. One is in the supporting heart health space, and the other area is in helping consumers deal with the challenges of daily life by providing that energy boost through the way that God made us, leveraging the power of blood flow and increasing the delivery of oxygen to the body.
Okay. So tell me, as you mentioned, it's launching on May the 12th. Tell me what it's taken to get you to this point where you're able to hit this milestone.
Well, literally it's taken in the context, it's 12 years of R&D. It's $35 million, more than $35 million of investment. It's people putting, literally stopping their lives in many respects from a science perspective with the level of commitment of the amazing team of scientists we have here in Israel. It's been able to validate the power of our science through multiple clinical trials. Published in peer-reviewed scientific journals. And then as you start to, once you have the amazing benefits that VINIA has, it's about being able to scale it from a manufacturing perspective and being able to bring it to market in a way that consumers can really embrace and understand the power of our science.
Okay. Lastly, so obviously March 12th is the launch. It'll be available in the United States. What can people expect from VINIA after that? What are you hoping to do with this?
So we're going to start the engine March 12th. For the first couple of weeks, we're going to focus on our investor base. We have a very broad investor base. The amount of emails and pre-ordering that we have, it's unbelievably encouraging. The amount of people that are literally waiting for that opportunity to order their VINIA in the US, and as well as Canadians are able to order up to 3 months supply of VINIA from the US website. So we'll focus in the first few weeks on just looking after investors. At the same time, it gives us an opportunity to make sure that everything is absolutely perfect as far as the operating of the site, the operating of our customer service center, which is a very important part of our overall customer proposition, because many of our consumers will also look to purchase VINIA over the phone, talking to our expert customer success team. And then towards the end of May, we will start to put our foot on the engine as far as advertising is concerned through online channels, your traditional online channels with very disruptive communication, talking about the benefits of VINIA and demonstrating our science-based advantage that we have out there. And we will focus initially in the Southeast. We're going to make sure that we get our marketing model right, make sure that the conversion rates through the actual sales funnel make sense. And once we feel comfortable, we will start to really scale up into the Northeast and into the West Coast by the end of the year.
All right. Ilan, congratulations on this milestone. Great to talk to you again, and we'll talk again real soon.
Thank you, Steve. Take care.
All right, Ilan Sobel, the CEO of BioHarvest Sciences.